the eve of the end, the demon of Azzoatl has finally come for me. Flame! The power of the Val! Survival requires brutal choices.
Need more time.
I've had enough of this. This ends now. Progress comes with a heavy price.
This'll stop him.
You will burn. I can't give up. I must save my people.
You know why we're here! It happened! It cannot be stopped!
No, I will succeed.
Listen!
I cannot let my efforts be in vain. The destruction at Azzoatl will be repaid 1,000-fold. Let's see you survive this. I will burn you alive! I've had enough of you! Face the might of Eval! What? How? Get up! Get up! Now you're within my grasp. I've been preparing for you for years. Face the might of the mind! Full power! Do you truly think you can match me? Burn to ash, demon of Azzoatl!
More time.
Nothing will stand in my way! You leave me no choice! This is not over yet. How foolish.
Need more time.
You think you can run? You truly think you can match me? Burn to ash, demon of Azzoatl! Face the might of the
Gloves and
Val!
personal. Not yet.
You think you can run? There is no escape! You think you can stand in my way? Ah! No! Do not fail me. Not now! How could this happen? All I've done. All that I sacrificed.
Your people cannot be saved. History is already written. You can stay here and die, or come with us and help save the future.
The legacy of the Val must be protected. I do know of a way to contain the beast.
Best you start talking then. My friend here isn't exactly the peacemaking type.
If only there is an ancient weapon. A weapon that was used against corruption.
So will you help us?
I suppose I must. But the fact that you are... I will come to your era.
It's settled then.